And now, as the political fight escalates, the Telecom Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia has defended the Sanchar Sathi app, saying citizen digital security is the government's top priority. He stresses the app is voluntary, with users absolutely free to delete it anytime, highlighting that its reach over 20 crore people have been engaged and more than 1.5 crore people have been connected, and there are connections that have been blocked. Those lost phones can be found as well. So Jyotiraditya Scindia is saying that this is only for digital security, nothing else. There should be no politics around it. Listen in.
कॉल मॉनिटरिंग है, अगर आप चाहते हो तो इसको आप एक्टिवेट करो, अगर आप नहीं चाहते तो इसे एक्टिवेट मत करो। सुनिए ना, अगर आप इसको अपने फोन पे रखना चाहते हो तो रखो, अगर आप इसको डिलीट करना चाहते हो तो डिलीट करो। जिस तरीके से, उदाहरण के तौर पे, आपके फोन पे जब आप फोन खरीदते हो तो उस पे कई ऐप्स आ जाती हैं, जैसे गूगल मैप्स भी आ जाता है। अब आपको गूगल मैप इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है तो आप डिलीट कर लो, अगर आपको संचार साथी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है तो डिलीट कर दो। इसका मतलब ये ऑप्शनल है सर, ऑब्वियसली डिलीट कर सकते हो आप, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो बात का बतंगड़ एक मिनट, वही तो हर भ्रम को मैं तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। ये कस्टमर प्रोटेक्शन की बात है और हर भ्रम को मैं तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। आपको डिलीट करना है तो आप डिलीट कर दोगे, आप, कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है। आप अगर रजिस्टर नहीं करना चाहते हो, मतलब कि उदाहरण के
So let's go across to my colleague Hina joining us on the broadcast. So Hina, the government has issued the clarification time and again that this is an app that people can be free to remove from their phone if they don't want it. The opposition, though, is going to continue attacking the government. They maintain that this is a way of snooping on the people.
Well, that's right. We just heard a reaction from Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister, trying to clarify, trying to allay concerns of the people that, if you don't want to use this app, then you don't have to really use it. You can always delete it. And now Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister, has also put out a long post on X wherein he's again reiterating that this is completely voluntary and democratic system. Users who do not want to use this app or avail its benefits, if they do not wish to use it, they can easily delete it from their phone at any point in time. And he says the focus is on digital security of every citizen. That is the priority of the government. The idea is to protect people's privacy so that people can stay safe from online fraud. So this is the objective of the government as far as this app is concerned, and why the government has asked, in fact, phone makers to install this app in the handsets before the handsets are sold to people. And he has also given us some very interesting data. According to him, over 20 crore people have already used the Sanchar Sathi portal because it has many benefits. Then about 1.5 crore people are connected to the app. He says upon citizens selecting not my number, over 1.43 crore mobile connections have been disconnected. It also helps you identify if on your name there are multiple connections. So he's given us the data that 26 lakh mobile phones have been traced, out of which 7.23 lakh phones have been successfully returned. If your phone gets lost, what should you do? Where should you go? This is the app to help you get your phone back. Then he says that 6.2 lakh fraud-linked IMEIs have been blocked as well. According to him, it's a significant step towards strengthening protection, transparency and a customer-first approach. But the opposition clearly is not convinced, Pratibha. Opposition saying that this is akin to dictatorship.
Okay, all right. We also have Pragya joining us over the phone line. And Pragya, the government has clarified time and again that this is a digital safety initiative by the center and people are free to uninstall the app if they don't want it. But the opposition is continuing to say that this is an app for snooping. What are the details? How is the center going to dismantle these fears that this is not actually a snooping app as is being claimed by the opposition? All right, we'll go back to Pragya in just a moment. But as Hina was also telling us, details being put out by the government on how this is only for digital safety. It has nothing to do with snooping as is being claimed by the government, saying that the users are free to either use the app or uninstall it if they don't want it. But clearly, this is not the end of the political showdown, and it's only going to continue. We're keeping a track of that. Slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.